sa adlaw?
March. Sa month. 10, 11, 12. March 12.
So, so what up guys? This is our third and last day here. Second trip for Tabogon. So right now we'll be going to Giwanan Cold Spring again. And meet up with these guys. And today it's like 8 a.m. in the morning. It's Thursday, so let's just jump into it.
Small talk, no conversation. That look makes me impatient. I can't tell what you're thinking. Please tell me what you're thinking. Last night we were more than fine. Just tell me.
A few inches later.
So we just arrived right here right now. So far, this is the only vehicle I have seen. Our motorcycle. No person yet, and maybe it's because it's too early. It's like almost 9 p.m. So this guys. Oh, Banyan. This is set of rules.
Here's our
That's the
tickets.
entrance fees.
Tika.
So these are the prices, which you can see in this
Entrance fees.
So bayad itag motorcycle fee.
Huh?
Bayad
There's motorcycle fee, 5 pesos.
Yes. So we have the entrance fee right now. It's 100 pesos. So dato kayang dungan ta, mama.
Ikaw ang bot. Ikaw.
Okay, sige lang.
Nasa ubos?
Kato na sa boss
Oh,
ba?
sige. O, ara mo bayad tayo.
300 plus kan eh.
420.
420 man! 425!
Nasa 5.
30. Okay. So here's the banker. The banker has already paid entrance and all that stuff. So let's go! So the video was cut it off because my mom called, fortunately. So here we are. This is the stairs, the first entrance here, as you can see right here. And here's our baby. So clear stuff. So as you can see, this is like it has 3 layers or 3 boundaries. The first boundary is the source, which will be coming right there afterwards. Second boundary is medyo laum, somehow deep, and then this one is the most accessible because you can just literally just stand up. It's like just 5 feet to 4 feet, 4 feet to 5 feet.
5 feet max.
Yeah, 5 feet max. So this part's very deep. It's like 7 feet. So this guy right here is ready to test the cold waters stuff. So we're gonna check other things right here in the spring. First we have the monument of Mama Mary. We have cottages as well, which cost 500 and stuff. And we're gonna go within the boundaries of the second and the first. So let's go.
Don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show up at my house all caught up in your feelings. Don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me down.
So first off, we're gonna check the first boundary. This is how we clear the lenses. Let me clear it. Here's the man, changing room, PWD. Has bathroom as well. So it's the cottages. It's 500 each. From total of 5 cottages. And then this is at the first boundary. So by the way, this is at the sea. So the sea is somehow connected to the spring. And this is what it looks like on the first boundary. It has like, since they have renovated this thing, they change it, design it, and make it look like this. So there's a mini waterfall, amazing babes, and then there's a mini monument there with Mama Mary. So if it's high tide, the water somehow is flowing, you can relax like this there. So, the water's still clear right here. You can see the monument of Mama Mary. You can stay right here. I don't know how deep this is, but you can stay here, take a picture, post it on Instagram. And this is the view of it in the morning. So now we're gonna walk further with the second wall Maria. So right now this is second boundary, which is much more clear than the outer one. This is it. I don't know if this is 7 feet, but I cannot reach it, so it must be deep. So this is the tree of life. So before, when I was still a kid and I was like hanging out a lot in here, so we were able to climb that tree and then jump somehow. Right now there's like boundaries or tapes, but this used to be where we jump, that branch over there. Good times. So this is the second one. It's deep if you want deep adventure and clear. Of course, it's still cold, so you can stay right there. And the most restricted part of this spring is right here. Most clear of them all. It has fishes. This is where the source came from, so that's why it's restricted. So, that was the mini tour that we have with the spring, so we're gonna go ahead and have some fun.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts, and the image of you being with someone else, well, it's eating me up inside. But we ran our course, we pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck we made. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go, I will go.
So we've already dipped in the spring, and this fucking bitches are piggyback riding inside in front of my face. No! God, please, no! So, gonna take shots or take clips on the falls, the mini falls, and gonna see how it looked down there. So, since this is like a meeting point of the seawater and the fresh water, the temperature of this is just lukewarm, not that cold, so I gotta watch these fellas have fun. Just look at this. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 set of falls, and at this part it has stones where you can sit. And pretty nice view. So you can somehow take a shower. Oh,
Don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show up at my house all caught up in your feelings. Don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me down, down, down. Hey, don't mess with my head. Don't tell me you're falling with your feet still on the ledge. I'm all out of breath. Baby, don't run me round and round. Don't kiss me, no, don't kiss me right now. On your lips, just leave it if you don't mean it. Hurry home, let's never leave the house. But you don't mean it. Let's stay in bed where all our friends go out. But you don't mean it. Why you let those words come out of your mouth? If you don't mean it. You've been staring at me with the heart of doubt. Don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show up at my house all caught up in your feelings. Don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me down.
we have just finished swimming right here and dipping in this wonderful spring. So now it's time for us to go, and so we are take for Banyan Springs in Tabogon, previously named Giwanan. And the couples right now are taking a bath in the comfort rooms in the bathroom. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Cheers.